southwestern Wilson County, southern Bear County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Liming, or 8 miles northeast of Poteet, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Floresville,